Jake, it's got pretty bad out here, buddy. Holy crap. It's dark and all this snow. Yeah, I know, it's a lot of snow. Keep going. If you can get back there. Holy crap. This is deep. Right. Come on, buddy. You can make it. I know it's deep. Keep going. Almost there. Almost there. A little further. It's really bad out here. And it's coming down. This is worse than before. You can see over there. It's coming down pretty bad. See closely with the lights. You can make it back. Come on. Yeah, I know it's deep over there, but you gotta go back the same way we came, buddy. Come on, let's go. I'll help you. Don't worry. Unless you have to do something else. Go finish up. You can finish. Go on. It's pretty amazing out here. It was only supposed to be maybe 12 inches, turns into probably 2 feet, and then the snow drifts are even deeper, probably 3 feet snow drifts. Come on, kiddo. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go home. Let's go in the house. This is the backyard, the alleyway. Come on, let's go in the house. Jakey boy. You can go back in the house. Let's go. Or you can go back in the house. Hopefully you can make it back through that pile. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going that way. Keep going straight. Yeah, follow your spot from before. You'll make it back. Yeah, it's really deep here, kiddo. Really deep. Right back. Holy moly. This stuff is really deep. Oh my god. It's like 7 feet of snow. Well, I'm exaggerating. Maybe 4 feet. This snow drift. But it's really deep. Oh my god. It's going up to my knees to some of the spots. That's how deep it is. That's about like 3 feet deep, easily. The neighbors. Holy moly. You can see the piles up on these cars are buried. They barely did anything to these streets. In terms of plowing. This is crazy. A few.
Hey, you take a picture?
Not of you. Yes. deep spots.